It was a poetry by Chandidas, one devotee of Krishna. Shukhero lagia eghoro bathino onole puriya jaigo. Shukhero lagia means for the sake of sukh, happiness. Shukhero lagia eghoro bathino, I built this house, but onole puriya jai. Onol means fire, puriya means burnt. I built this house for the sake of happiness, but now it's burning in fire. Isn't that our situation in this material nature? We build a house thinking that we'll get happiness, especially nowadays. It is becoming so obvious. How many of you have been to the Medolago temple? It's a beautiful house. Must have been about 25 acres of land. And they bought it practically at a throwaway price because the husband and wife got divorced and now the property has to be divided between them. So now it's an auction. Sukhero lagia. Eghoro badhinu. For the sake of happiness. When they got married, they built the house, they thought they would happily live ever after. But now, honore puriya jai. The house is burning in fire. Socrates' wife, Xanthope, a quarrelsome woman, she used to always nag him, quarrel, fight with him. And so somebody said something about that to Socrates, that she makes your life so miserable. Socrates' reply was, no, she's very good because she makes me realize how miserable this material world is. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha doshanu darshanam. One of the things that a wise person knows is that this material nature is a place of birth, death, old age and disease. So it's a place of suffering. So the question should be, what should be the goal of life? The goal of life should be understand the reality of this material nature and become situated on the spiritual platform.